Welcome. Today we are looking for revision questions answers on European invasion of Africa and the process of colonization. So question 1 was define the terms scramble and partition. Scramble means to rush for compete or with the others to get to do something. The scramble for Africa refers to the rush and the struggle for different parts of Africa by the European powers. Partition is to divide something among people or apportion something among competitors. The partition of Africa refers to the dividing up or the sharing of African by the European powers. Social, economic, and political events in Europe that promoted the scramble. With industrialization in Europe, the nations wanted colonies to act as sources of raw materials such as cotton and palm oil. Colonies provided a market for manufactured goods from European industries. With increased capital, the Europeans wanted colonies to invest surplus capital. Speculation that Africa was rich in minerals such as gold and copper fueled the scramble. Unification of Germany after the Franco-Prussian War of 1870 to 1871 caused the scramble. She became powerful under Otto von Bismarck and in the war. France lost her two mineral-rich provinces of Alsace and Lorraine. Germany was out to acquire colonies. France turned her attention to Africa for colonies to compensate for her loss. European nations acquired colonies in Africa for national prestige. Germany and Italy joined the race for national glory. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.